Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 14th June 2026. Title of Murli. According to the speed of the time now, put intensity into the transformation of your nature and sanskars. Use your mind to give rays of different kinds to souls. Bapdada reminded the Brahman souls of their elevated fortune and the significance of the three thrones, the divine throne, Paramatma Takht, the throne of the soul, Brikuti Takht, and the throne of the world. He emphasized that souls should remain constantly seated on the divine heart throne. The longer a soul remains in this elevated stage, the greater its right to attain a royal status in the future kingdom. Instead of falling into the dust of body consciousness and ego, one should practice swinging in the swings of peace, happiness, and love. Further, Bapdada gave a special message to bring about rapid transformation in one's nature and sanskars. He stressed the importance of developing the ability to put a full stop within a second in any situation, as this will become the foundation of victory in the times ahead. By avoiding waste thoughts and the attitude of, I alone am right, the mind should be kept occupied through daily Murli study, reflection, and spiritual homework. Finally, Baba especially encouraged increasing service through the mind, Mansa Seva, along with service through words and actions. Radiating rays of peace, happiness, love, and joy to souls is an important service for the present time. Bapdada inspired all children to remain constantly cheerful, to pass every situation by considering it a paper test, and to make sincere efforts to become equal to the Father by following Father Brahma. Blessing for today. May you be simple and become a sample and reveal your greatness from your simplicity. Details are: when something is simple and clean, it definitely attracts you. In the same way, in terms of the thoughts of your mind, in your relationships, in your interactions, and in your way of living, when you are simple and clean, you become a sample and automatically attract others to yourself. Simple means ordinary. Greatness is revealed through ordinariness. Those who are not ordinary, that is, not simple, become a problem. Slogan is: when you say, My Baba, from your heart, your eyes, which have been closed by Maya and so made you unconscious, will then open. Avyakt signal. To remain constantly cheerful, be easy-natured and tolerant. 1 minute, come into sound, and the next minute, go beyond sound. The more this practice becomes simple and easy, the more you will appear to be close to perfection. The sign of the stage of perfection is that your efforts will be easy and simple. The pilgrimage of remembrance and service are both included in easy efforts. When you experience both to be simple and easy, you can then understand that you are about to attain your stage of perfection. Om Shanti.